It's the Melon Sandbox Show, so many adventures to explore. There was always something every day. Melon, apple, corn, pumpkin, dragon fruit, cactus, tomato, robot. All find their way to solve problems. Melon Sandbox Show.
Melon's new car.
Here's $458 for the car. Now take it all even. I'm going to need the keys.
Don't worry, they're hanging on the car. Bro, let me in. I need to give you the gas number. What are you doing? You will die.
Oh, the gases is getting low. And we need to fill it up. I think that is good.
Well, that is bloody. That is just a lesson. The lesson is always pay attention to other people and never ever follow someone else's lead. And now let's clean this up.